National flag of India. Did you know every free nation of the world has its own flag? It is a symbol of a free country. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during the meeting of Constituent Assembly held on 22 July 1947, a few days before India's independence from the British on 15th August 1947. It served as the national flag of the Dominion of India between 15th August 1947 and 26 January 1950, and that of the Republic of India thereafter. In India, the term tricolor refers to the Indian national flag. About national flag. The national flag of India is a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron kesari at the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom in equal portion. The ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2 to 3. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. Its design is that of wheel which appears on the abacus of the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. Its diameter approximates to the width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. Evolution of the tricolor. It is really amazing to see the various changes that our national flag went through since its first inception. It was discovered or recognized during our national struggle for freedom. The evolution of the Indian national flag sailed through many changes to arrive at what it is today. In one way, it reflects the political developments in the nation. Some of the historical milestones in the evolution of our national flag involves the following. Unofficial flag of India in 1906. The first national flag in India is said to have been hoisted on August 7, 1906 in the Parsi Bagan Square, Green Park in Calcutta, now Kolkata. The flag was composed of three horizontal strips of red, yellow, and green. The Berlin Committee flag first raised by Bikaji Kama in 1907. The second flag was hoisted in Paris by Madame Kama and her band of exiled revolutionaries in 1907. This was very similar to the first flag except that the top strip had only one lotus but 7 stars denoting the Saptarishi. This flag was also exhibited at the Socialist Conference in Berlin. The flag used during the Home Rule movement in 1917. The third flag went up in 1917 when our political struggle had taken a definite turn. Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak hosted it during the Home Rule movement. This flag had 5 red and 4 green horizontal strips arranged alternatively with 7 stars in the Saptarishi configuration superimposed on them. In the left band top corner, the pole end was the Union Jack. There was also a white crescent and star in one corner. The flag unofficially adopted in 1921 during the session of All India Congress Committee which met at Bijwada in 1921. Now Vijayawada, and Andhra youth prepared a flag and took it to Gandhiji. It was made up of two colors, red and green, representing the two major communities, that is Hindus and Muslims, Gandhiji suggested the addition of a white strip to represent the remaining communities of India and the spinning wheel to symbolize progress of the nation. The flag adopted in 1931, the flag was also the battle ensign of the Indian National Army. The year 1931 was a landmark in the history of the flag. A resolution was passed adopting a tricolor flag as our national flag. This flag, the forebear of the present one, was saffron, white and green with Mahatma Gandhi's spinning wheel at the center. It was, however, clearly stated that it bore no communal significance and was to be interpreted thus. The present tricolor flag of India. On July 22, 1947, the Constituent Assembly adopted it as Free India national flag. After the advent of independence, the colors and their significance remained the same. Only the Dharma Chakra of the Emperor Ashoka was adopted in place of the spinning wheel as the emblem on the flag. Thus, the tricolor flag of the Congress Party eventually became the tricolor flag of the independent India. Colors of the flag. In the national flag of India, the top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. The chakra. This Dharma Chakra depicted the wheel of the law in the Sarnath lion capital made by the 3rd century BC Mauryan Emperor Ashoka. The chakra intends to show that there is life in movement and death in stagnation. The Indian national flag represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of the India. It is the symbol of our national pride. Over the last 5 decades, several people including members of armed forces, have enthusiastically laid down their lives to keep the tricolor flying in its full glory. That's all. Thanks for watching.